When you're lying in bed, looking up at Earth rotating across your ceiling, real ISS footage, 120 inches from 250 miles up, your room stops existing for a second. That's not an exaggeration. It's what happens when the only thing filling your vision is the curvature of the planet in a completely dark room at midnight. Here's exactly how to build it, and everything I'm about to point you to is completely free. Start with NASA. Most people don't know NASA releases all their footage publicly. Real, 4K, free on YouTube right now. The ISS streams live from 250 miles above the planet. Oceans, coastlines, weather systems drifting in real time. The James Webb Space Telescope images, nebulae, galaxy clusters, the deepest images ever taken of the universe, available as slow 4K zooms that loop for hours. This isn't rendered, it isn't CGI, it's real, and it's already in the app. Search NASA ISS 4K window view for Earth rotating. James Webb Telescope 4K loop for deep space. Earth from space, real footage, 4K for the full planet overhead. You'll have more content than you'll ever get through before you even finish setting up. Now, where you point it changes everything. Most people put it on a wall. That works. But the ceiling is what separates this from anything you've seen before. When the CineX throws 120 inches directly above you, Earth rotating overhead, or a nebula expanding across your ceiling, the geometry is completely different from a screen. Your brain isn't watching space. It's processing it as something above you, the way it would be if you were actually there. No cinema produces this angle. No TV produces this angle. It's specific to a projector pointed at a ceiling in a dark room with nothing else competing for your attention. Setup is a few minutes. The CineX runs Android 11. YouTube is already there. Nothing to download, no new interface to learn. You search the scene, you play it, you point it at the ceiling. The picture corrects itself automatically. No menu, no adjusting, just done. Mirrors wirelessly from iPhone and Android. If you find something on your phone, you want overhead. The room you fall asleep in is different when you've spent an hour looking up at real footage of Earth from space. That's not something you can explain before you've done it. It's at simplifytech.shop. Ships worldwide, 6-month warranty. If it doesn't change your room the way you expected, full refund, no questions asked. The NASA links and exact searches are in the description.